Government of Meghalaya, Office of the Deputy Commissioner Eastern West Khasi Hills District, Mairang. Dated Mairang, the 29th of May 2025. Notice, whereas information have been received that candidates applying for the post of LDA have downloaded the admit cards for LDA written examination. Eastern West Khasi Hills District, Mairang before the 2nd of June 2025. Whereas notice have been issued VD letter no. MRG DSC 41-2024-10 DT. The 21st of May 2025 to all candidates. Hence, for the smooth conduct of DSC examination, all candidates are directed to adhere strictly to notice mentioned above, and to ensure that fresh admit cards issued after the 2nd of June 2025, having 5 digits roll number, will be valid for this examination.